I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate easily at home. Start by measuring cocoa butter, cocoa powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt, then melt gently over low heat. Whisk until smooth and remove any lumps, then cool slightly before pouring into molds. For better texture, gently temper the chocolate by heating and cooling to the right temperatures, or skip tempering for a softer, rustic bar. Melt cocoa butter or chocolate slowly over a double boiler, or in the microwave using short bursts and stirring between each burst. Gradually whisk in cocoa powder and sugar until the mixture is smooth and glossy, taking care to avoid any scorched bits. Fold in flavorings like vanilla, sea salt, chopped nuts, or dried fruit at the end to retain their texture, then pour into molds for cooling and setting. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with learning practical skills like homemade chocolate. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you want a thoughtful read. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Tempering helps chocolate set shiny and snap, so use a thermometer to be precise when heating and cooling. Heat to the recommended top temperature, cool to the lower seed temperature, then gently reheat to working temperature before molding. If you prefer an easier route, pour without tempering for a more rustic bar that still tastes great but may look matte and feel softer when bitten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.